Hello, SE examination 2075 for science. Let's start solving group D questions. That's going to be 4 marks for each question. Let's start with question number 21. Complete the ray diagram given alongside. So this is the ray diagram that has been given alongside. Also mention any two natures of the image thus formed. So we need to find what kind of image is being formed over here. And continuing with the question, if the power of the lens is plus 4D, what should be the distance between lens and magazine to read it properly? Okay, so let me just give the ray diagram here, and I'll complete the ray diagram for you guys. Okay, so to complete the ray diagram, what we need to do is we need to draw at least 2 more rays on this ray diagram. So the first ray is gonna be this one, okay, on the blue ink. The 2 rays are on the blue ink. The first ray, it comes from the top of the object parallel to the principal axis here, or the optical axis parallel to it, until it reaches the center of the lens, and then it deviates through the focal point. Okay, and you can extend it how much you want. Okay, now the second ray is gonna originate from the top of the object as usual, but it passes through the center of the lens undeviated. Okay, and where the these two rays intersect, that is where an image is being formed. Okay, and I've indicated the image by this green arrow here. Okay, green arrow. Now you can see that the image here, the object here is upright while the image here is inverted. Okay, and if you compare the size of the object and the size of the image here, the heights, you can see that the image is significantly larger. Okay, so after you've completed the ray diagram, the image formed has following natures. The first one, the obvious one, it is larger than the object. It is clearly we can clearly see that in the ray diagram. It is the image is larger than the object. And the other one is it is a real image. That means it can be produced on a screen. Okay, the other obvious one would also be the image is inverted. Okay, upright, and it has been inverted. Okay, so you could write either of those 3. I've opted to write these 2 here. Okay, some more information on this, even you're done with the answer. Some more information on this: whenever the object is between 2f and f for a convex lens, whenever the object is placed between f and 2f, the image formed is always a real image, and real images are always inverted. Okay, and it is also true that whenever object is placed in this range, the image formed will always be larger than the object. Okay, now moving on, continuing on question number 21, we're trying to solve for the second part of the question. What should be the distance between lens and magazine to read it properly? So what we should find here is that we should find the focal distance of the lens. Okay, we should find the focal distance. So we use this equation here, f equals to 1 over p, where p is the power of the lens, and substituting the value of p given in the equation, p equals to plus 4d, we'll find that the focal length f is 25 centimeters, and this is the minimum distance required for us to read the magazine properly. So good luck and thank you.